This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start inside the Files app on your iPhone or iPad. Make sure iCloud Drive is enabled in Settings under your Apple ID. Once done, open Files, tap Browse, and choose iCloud Drive so you see synced folders. You should also confirm you're signed into the same Apple ID on each device to avoid missing items. This gets you directly to stored documents and folders, so you can open files immediately without waiting for manual transfers. You'll now locate the file you need. Use the search field to type a file name, extension, or phrase and filter results quickly. Once you see the file, tap it to open the native preview with Quick Look. This shows content without changing the original. Make sure to long press any item to reveal actions like share, duplicate, move, or download a local copy. These let you extract, send, or relocate files easily while preserving iCloud sync. Finish by editing or saving. If the app supports iCloud, make changes and tap Save or Done to push edits to iCloud automatically. If you need offline access, long press the file and choose Download to keep a local copy. If something goes wrong and a file won't open, first check your Wi-Fi or cellular connection, confirm you're on the correct Apple ID, and verify iCloud storage isn't full. These 3 fixes resolve most sync and access errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.